Welcome. In front of me is Xiaomi RedmiBook 14, and in this video I will show you how to enable power saving mode to save your battery life on this laptop. So to do this, right click on the battery icon, which is located in the bottom right corner of the screen, and go into power and sleep settings right here. Now select the energy saver, and you can manually enable it by switching this toggle to the right, or you can enable it when your device reaches some specific amount of power of charging, basically of battery level. Yeah, that's what I meant to say. So for example, if it reaches 50% of battery level, if I choose this option, the power saving mode will automatically enable, and I can change it to always, and this way the power saving mode should always turn on when my device is plugged out from the charging cable. Or I can choose some specific option, or I can also enable the power saving manually again by switching this toggle. And this one is for switching between. This toggle is used for switching on and off the lower screen brightness when using energy saver option. So for example, if I switch it off and I enable energy saver, my screen brightness will stay the same. But if I switch it on, my screen brightness will go lower. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.